Hey, hi, good evening, everyone. So, today we are going to discuss about parents and teacher in our life. So, first of all, I forgot everything because I don't need any word to say about my God that are present on earth itself. So, you know, parents are like a source. Our source, what is our source? Our parent is the source. Source to destination. You must have heard this word. So, teacher is not a destination, but teacher can help you to get destination. So, when any newborn baby comes in the world, she and he needs someone who can take care, otherwise, he and she will die. No one will be there who can feed, and give. You can see your eyes when there is a newborn baby. But we need someone from our adulthood or whole life. Means be with someone, it's not a necessity, it's a need of our life. It may be parent, it may be someone. So if you are be someone, so always respect them. And my one day I said one thing to my father, I will die. My father said to me, one day you will understand when you have kids and your kids will say these words to you. Then you will realize what the mean of that. So that kind of things we can't understand this time. And my mom is like that. Means I am thinking about a word, but there is no word I can appreciate my parents. But I will try through some line. First I will say in Hindi and I will translate in English. एक एक तरफ है ये जग सारा, एक तरफ मेरी माई है. So one side is whole world and other side is my mom. Thank you. So not end, sorry. And when we suffer from any illness, that time any god never come in our life. Always parent there for you. They give you water, they take care every time. So who is god on the earth? Parent is the real god. If you can't see, so what you can understand, what will you achieve? If you achieve everything in your life but you never understand the meaning of parents, so everything is meaningless. I was busy in my life. I didn't care anything about my home. One day my father was very sick and he was going to die. Then I realized what I am going to lose forever. That time I loved my father a lot, and my mother always show love for me. Whenever I get any hurt, he start crying. You must have heard this song. जब भी चोट मुझे लग जाती थी, आँख तेरी भी तो बह जाती थी. So it happens whenever I get this kind of things. And if you really want to understand what is the role of teacher in our life, we are going to see an example. Everyone knows about Mahabharata. Arjun Dronacharya was a teacher of Arjun. Arjun learned skill of fighting from Dronacharya. But when there was a time to fight in front of wrong people, so that time Arjun was in confusion. So that time there was a teacher, Lord Krishna. So Lord Krishna helped Arjun to clear his doubt, Krishna said. Arjun was in difficult, yeah, they are my real one. How can I kill? Krishna said, they are wrong people. Krishna said, Mar Arjun, Mar. Mar means kill them, Arjun, kill. So, yeah, like that. So, if you really means you understand yourself, you all are Arjun and his person name is also Arjun. So, we have to fight with wrong things in our life. So there must be a teacher like Dronacharya and there must be a teacher like Krishna. When we feel this condition, so means we have to fight. But teacher will help you to understand and get out this your confusion. So teacher role like that. So I couldn't sleep when I was not able to speak English. I had to speak English in front of US people. When there was a call, I was totally nothing. I couldn't speak anything in front of them. So I couldn't sleep for many days. Then I came here. So there was a teacher who he is very smart in looking. So yeah, he helped me to learn English. Then I can learn English. I can speak English in front of anyone, even though I am not fluent. But it is the same like there is a fight ongoing. But no one kill me. But I can save myself. But so this is like that. So thank you so much, sir. And but there's one thing I don't like about teacher. Sometimes some teachers say we will never get married. So yeah, because we want to serve our things to our society, but I will suggest you must get married because they. So thank you so much.